What's our tip of the week this week?
Okay, this week's tip is how to invest in real estate tax-free. And you might be sitting there thinking, tax-free, how do you do that? Tim, what is it all about?
It's not really tax-free, it's tax avoidance. The number one thing you're going to do if you're making a ton of cash flow, if your properties are appreciating, if you're using depreciation every year on your property, is there's going to be a tax component to that. And that's what brings Michael Oosterhoff in. But there are ways to minimize that and avoid it if you want. And one thing you can do is make sure that your expenses are equivalent to your revenues.
Yeah. So the best thing about real estate is that the tenants are paying down your mortgage. And when the tenants are paying down your mortgage, that lowers every month. And you can get to a point coupled with appreciation that the property's going up, the mortgage is going down.
Come on in, guys.
And you can actually refinance that money out when you're ready. And what we recommend you do is you actually refinance it to the point where the rents cover the cost. So everyone might be in a situation right now where rents continue to go up. I mean, we're just talking about condos. Condos were once renting just 2-3 years ago for $1,200. Now they're renting for $2,000. So you can actually take the equity in your property and refinance it up, and condos have gone up roughly, Tim, $100,000 within a 2 to 3 year period. You can refinance that money out, and with the extra rents that you're getting or the rental amount, that can cover your costs. And you could pull that money out. You simply go to your mortgage broker. We know Danielle does it for our clients all of the time. And what happens is she gets an appraisal done. The value comes in, and you can borrow up to 80% of that appraised value. And once you do that, it's as simple as signing off with the lawyers, getting a new commitment from the lender, and then you have those funds sitting in your bank account tax-free, and you could do a range of things with that money. We always say as investors, you should be enjoying yourself, going on holidays, buying some new furniture or driving a nicer car, but you should be reinvesting some of that money as well. And that's how our investors end up owning or growing their portfolio, by refinancing that money out. It's tax-free because it's borrowed funds, and then using that money to buy more assets and, of course, having fun as well.
So that's our tip of the week, how to buy real estate tax-free. But again, you need good tax advice from a good real estate accountant. Michael Oosterhoff's presentation will go through completely how to deal with your real estate investments and how to minimize your tax and how to make sure that you're paying the right amount of tax.